In addition to the sampling equipment, the bottles, the pull samplers, the various other containers, there's a lot of other equipment associated with field operations and the collection of water quality samples. And the organization and storage of these items is really critical to efficient field crew operation. So one of the purposes of this demonstration is just to show you what's available, what you can use. And generally, this particular container here at my feet, you can buy it at almost any hardware store. And it has a couple compartments for the storage of small items. Here we have Sharpies, things like that. Here's a little spider. These are really important. And then some string and a small box containing air. So these are very, very handy. And then over here we have a small triangle, and actually probably one of the most handiest tools is a multiple use screwdriver. Much more useful than the plastic spider. We also have a whole array of storage items. Plastic or paper bags. Now paper bags are not really very useful, and are more useful for storage of trash than anything else. The equipment should be put in containers that are at minimum crush proof and water resistant, if not waterproof. So we have buckets. This is a standard 5-gallon bucket, very handy for carrying bulky items, bottles, things like that. It has a handle on it. You can carry it around, very, very, very easy to carry. Ammunition boxes, extremely cheap, watertight, crush proof, excellent for small items. This is a standard carpenter's toolbox that we use to hold the equipment associated with our water quality multi-parameter instruments. And it has a top tray that will contain all the necessary. This is the membrane kit, screwdrivers, extra batteries, sound guard. These are extra O-rings and DO membranes and DO membrane O-rings. So all the things that you need. And then we have inside, of course, we have the sondes. And this, while not waterproof, is watertight, crush resistant, and protects this instrument very well. This is about a $5,000 instrument, so we don't really want to put it in a paper bag. Other field equipment. This is the standard large container with a lid. These are very, very good to sit on. They're very strong. You can stack them. And they contain all manner of associated equipment, gloves, wipes, handy wipes, things like that. Anything you want to put in here. This is all our medical equipment, things like that. Standard pelican box. This is very good for cameras. The camera that's in here isn't here, but again, the cameras always come with card readers now, extra mag cards, and USB cables, batteries, things like that. This keeps them in one place, keeps them secure, and you can put it behind your seat when you go sampling. Very inexpensive plastic box. Very good for handling. These are discrete, smaller water quality meters, instruction books, things like that. Anything, virtually anything. We then have, again, very standard container. This particular container I use it for all my personal sampling equipment. I can just grab it and go anytime. And it contains a beautiful vest, some orange gloves. You have to have orange gloves. Flashlight, things like that. So, safety goggles, tape, all manner of sampling equipment. And again, it keeps it in one place, keeps it dry, keeps it organized, keeps it dust proof. And so everything I need should be in there with the exception of my lunch, which I forgot today. so that just about does it.